Today I'm going to share how we completely transformed our living room with a DIY fireplace. This was such a fun project to do. Here's our plans right here. And with the help of Modern Blaze, we were able to make our dreams come true with our living room. So I'm so excited to share with you all how we were able to accomplish that look. So we started off by taking the carpet out of our living room. And don't worry, we saved it because we are going to be using it in a project to come. So we DIY'd our whole fireplace with 2x4 lumber. We actually got this at a great deal at our lumber supply store, and we use the Dynasty Harmony fireplace from Modern Blaze, and we absolutely loved this look. It just has such a warm and welcoming look, and we loved how all the color changes could happen with the controller, and we just love the overall look of this. We decided that we were going to take it up a notch and not only do shiplap on our fireplace, but we actually added as well brick to the fireplace because we wanted it to look a little bit different than most people, to give you guys inspiration with fresh new ideas. So I hope you guys enjoy that. We actually had a lot of shiplap left over from other projects around our home. So we always like to keep those extra pieces, and it worked perfectly for the left side and the right side of our fireplace, which actually helped us save a lot of money. So we used this brick. This is called Old Mill brick, and we absolutely love how this gave a little bit of warmth and character around the fireplace, which had a beautiful look. And then we DIY'd the mantle, which cost us less than $30 to build, and my husband beat it with some different tools, which made it give it an aged look like a real beam. Here we're adding our hardwood floor that matches the rest of our home, which was a really affordable option. And here's the final look of our DIY fireplace. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys check out Modern Blaze. They have some incredible options for fireplace inserts, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.